Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Lucidchart to the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels, direct messages, tips, and our teammates. From here we have to go into the channel, and then we can just tap on connect apps here. The app is going to load and redirect us, but here in the Slack app directory, in the enterprise ready apps, we can just tap on Lucidchart. It's going to load again, but after it has loaded, we can just tap on add to Slack, and then we can just start using the app in our channels. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.